KNIPEX has built a reputation for making some of the sharpest, strongest, and most reliable hand tools on the market, and 2025 is no exception. Today, we're looking at 20 KNIPEX tools that every professional should have in their kit. These aren't just upgrades, they're tools that make tough tasks feel simple, whether you're cutting, gripping, crimping, or adjusting. If you want gear that lasts, works cleanly, and saves you time on the job, this list is worth your attention. Let's dive in and see which KNIPEX tools stand out this year. Sometimes you need a tool that can grab stubborn fasteners when nothing else works. The KNIPEX TwinGrip slip joint pliers bring a unique combination of front and side gripping that makes tough jobs easier. They use a high-grip front jaw with robust teeth, a box joint, and push-button adjustment for quick setup. The large front and side gripping capacity handles 4 to 22 mm, while the narrow turning zone helps you work fast in tight spots. A pinch stop reduces the chance of crushed fingers, and the durable, resilient build holds up under pressure. They're used for gripping, tightening, and loosening screws with worn heads and drives. Tough cuts in tight spots call for a tool that delivers clean results without slowing you down. The KNIPEX BIX cutting tool is a clever pipe cutter built for plastic pipes and sealing sleeves, featuring a die-cast zinc blade unit and a unique rotating blade for smooth, standard-compliant cuts. It follows DIN standards and works close to the wall for final assembly. Made of stable reinforced plastic, it includes 2 spare blades and a locking mechanism. It's used for cutting high-temperature plastic drain pipes, electrical conduits, drip sleeves, and sealing sleeves quickly, cleanly, and without shavings. Tight electrical work demands a tool that cuts cleanly without wearing you out. The KNIPEX Stepcut tool delivers that performance with its revolutionary stepped cutting edges, allowing it to cut solid cables up to 5x4 square millimeters and multi-core stranded copper or aluminium cables up to 15 millimeters. Its innovative design prevents crushing and reduces effort by up to 40% compared to standard cable shears. Available in 3 versions, it stays small, light, and strong at just 160 mm. It's used for clean, controlled cutting of multi-core stranded copper and larger cable diameters with better ergonomics and less strain. Tight plumbing jobs call for a tool that delivers clean, accurate cuts every time. The KNIPEX pipe cutter is built for that need, offering clean, smooth, burr-free cut surfaces on aluminium composite and plastic pipes. It cuts pipes from 12 to 25 mm with precision, supported by a high-strength special-grade steel blade that's easily exchangeable. The opening spring and locking device make handling simple, while the ergonomically shaped fiberglass-reinforced plastic handles keep it comfortable in the hand. It's used for cutting plastic composite pipes with accuracy and ease, ensuring tidy finishes and reliable results on every project. Tough cutting jobs are easier when your tool stays steady, safe, and sharp. The KNIPEX CutiX cutter. Universal delivers that control with its extendable stabilizer bar, letting you apply targeted pressure to the back of the blade without bending or risking injury. It features an 18mm snap-off blade, a sturdy magnesium housing that's light yet strong, and a high-quality blade lock that keeps the blade secure while cutting, pushing, or scraping. With quick blade replacement, tension-resistant locking, and compatibility with standard blades, this cutter is used for fast, precise work that benefits from real versatility. Tight spots and small parts demand tools that adapt quickly and stay easy to control. The The KNIPEX Mini Pliers set brings together the Mini Cobra high-tech water pump pliers and needle nose combination pliers for handling gripping, holding, and cutting tasks of all sizes. The Mini Cobra offers press button adjustment directly on the workpiece with fine adjustment for workpiece sizes up to 27 mm. The needle nose design reaches into narrow areas with pointed jaws and cutting edges for wires up to 2 mm. With comfort handles and KNIPEX 10 interfaces, this set is used for precision work in places where larger tools fall short. When precision and speed are essential, a reliable cutter makes all the difference. The KNIPEX Tubix pipe cutter ensures clean, accurate cuts with features designed for efficiency. Its quick lock one-hand locking mechanism allows instant positioning and clamping of the cutting wheel, while high-quality needle bearings on the wheel and 4 guide rollers enable smooth, effortless cutting. A spare cutting wheel is stored in the handle, and the quick replace system requires no tools. With an integrated deburring tool, it handles copper, brass, stainless steel, gas and water pipes, rigid conduits, and steel wire armored cables. For accurate and efficient wire preparation, having the right stripping tool is essential. The KNIPEX insulation stripper in blister packaging offers precise stripping for fine wires and solid round cables from 0.08 to 16 square millimeters with just one pair of pliers. Its parabolic stripping blade ensures exact cuts, while semicircular grooved metal clamps provide a secure grip. A patented automatism regulates cut depth, and the neutral point can be finely adjusted to accommodate different insulation materials and temperatures. The adjustable length stop and fine adjustment features make it reliable for professional electrical work. To protect delicate surfaces during gripping and holding tasks, specialized jaw covers are essential. The KNIPEX Protective Jaw Protective covers provide soft, smooth, gripping surfaces that prevent damage to designer fittings and other sensitive materials. They are easily and reliably fitted to the pliers' jaws, holding firmly in place for secure operation. Each set includes 3 pairs of plastic jaws, 250 mm in length, designed to allow damage-free gripping, holding, and compressing. These protective covers also permit continued use on chrome or other surfaces, even if the original plier jaws have been scratched or damaged. For precise gripping and damage-free adjustment, a versatile wrench is essential. The KNIPEX Pliers wrench, 180 mm in length, combines fluted handles with a slim undercut jaw profile for better performance. Laser-cut scales on the front and rear allow exact opening adjustments. Its zero backlash jaw pressure ensures sensitive surfaces remain undamaged, while smooth jaws enable work on plated or chrome fittings. Quick adjustment is possible directly on the workpiece via a push-button mechanism. Ideal for gripping, holding, pressing, and bending, it replaces multiple spanners, provides parallel jaw pressure, and delivers strong leverage with a ratchet-type principle. For delicate electrical and fine mechanical work, precision and safety are critical. The KNIPEX Electronic VDE Insulated Pliers, 125 mm, offer VDE-tested protection and multi-component grips for comfort and control. Their shear-cut design with controlled micro-cutting edge misalignment ensures precise cutting of even the thinnest wires, with long-lasting sharpness. Ground, bevel-free cutting edges allow clean cuts, while precisely shaped tips enable cutting wires as small as 0.2 mm close to surfaces. Ideal for electronics, fine mechanics, and ultra-fine tasks, these pliers complete any VDE tool set, combining durability, precision, and user safety. For tasks requiring precise wire cutting, a reliable and powerful tool is essential. The KNIPEX diagonal cutters, 140mm, deliver 20% higher cutting force thanks to optimized power transmission. Their slim head shape and long cutting edges allow access to confined areas, while high-precision, induction-hardened edges handle both soft and hard wire with clean results. A sturdy joint design ensures smooth, even movement, and the tool's high-quality materials provide long service life under heavy use. Ideal for electronics, electrical work, and general wire cutting, these diagonal cutters combine precision, durability, and performance in one indispensable all-around tool. For precise electrical connections, having a reliable crimping solution is crucial. The KNIPEX Crimp assortment comes in a durable Thanos mini sustainer with 2 stackable drawers, each containing 6 terminal slots. It includes a selection of hollow pointers with and without plastic collars, all made from high-quality, oil-hardened chrome vanadium electrical steel. The self-adjusting terminals accommodate all common cable sections, including twin toe caps, making it versatile for various wiring tasks. The T-lock closure allows one-handed operation and can connect multiple sustainers for easy transport. This set ensures organized, efficient, and professional crimping for electrical and electronic applications. For fast and reliable cutting of plastic corrugated pipes, a precise and safe tool is essential. The KNIPEX TwistCut handles pipes with a universal range of diameters, 13 to 32 mm, and ridge widths up to 2.7 mm. Its unique side-guided cutter design ensures clean, precise cuts without damaging internal cables or the pipe itself. Softer, flexible corrugated pipes can be separated easily with minimal pressure to prevent deformation. The slim design allows excellent accessibility in tight spaces, while the simple insertion mechanism ensures effortless, waste-free cutting. TwistCut delivers efficiency and safety for plumbing, electrical, and installation tasks. For precise and efficient cutting of fine wires and cables, a specialized tool is essential. The KNIPEX Wire Rope Cutter is designed for tire cord, wire ropes up to a diameter of 2 mm, and cables up to a diameter of 2 mm. Its compact size and lightweight design at only 175 grams make it highly ergonomic, reducing physical effort by up to 30% compared to similar cutters. Durable and built for intensive use, it features a double-mounted box joint for stability, induction-hardened cutting edges, an opening spring for convenience, and a locking device for safe transport. For securely fastening clamps without damaging them, a precise and reliable tool is essential. The KNIPEX ear clamp pliers are designed for mounting one ear and two ear clamps by pressing rather than cutting, protecting the clamp's press points. With 2 crimping profiles for frontal and lateral crimping, the slim pliers head allows access in tight spaces. Ideal for CV boots, radiator and fuel lines, air pressure systems, and compressors. These durable pliers feature a finely ground, black atramentized head and non-slip plastic handles, making professional fastening safe, precise, and convenient. For precise cutting in electronics and fine mechanics, a tool that ensures accuracy and control is essential. The KNIPEX Electronic Super Nips, an additional 15mm longer version, offers greater stability and cutting performance. Its ground, ultra-sharp cutting edges, and controlled micro-cutting edge misalignment enable shear cuts on even the thinnest wires from 0.2mm, including cable ties. Constructed from durable inox surgical steel with a stainless steel rivet, it features an opening spring, opening limiter, and extremely smooth movement to reduce operator fatigue, ensuring long service life and precise, clean cuts every time. Keeping tools organized and accessible is essential for efficiency and safety. The KNIPEX tool case, big twin electric, 66 parts, 290mm, offers a freestanding design in all opening positions with snap-in cover holders and a hinge mechanism on both sides. The angle is freely adjustable, and it can be opened from one or both sides, with the bottom and lid operating independently. It includes a label field with 2 stickers, 14 KNIPEX tools plus 63 brand tools, a 3-digit combination lock, removable tool boards, and a base tray, ensuring firm, stable storage and easy access. Strong cables demand a tool that delivers clean cuts with control and minimal effort. The KNIPEX Ratchet cable cutter handles ASCR cable with a steel core up to 32mm in diameter, and its large lever makes each cut simple and precise. The tool stays compact and manageable while offering maximum performance, supported by an extremely stable double guide for the rotating blade. Its induction-hardened cutting edge avoids cable damage and works efficiently thanks to a 2-stage gear transmission with a ratchet mechanism. Designed for one-handed or two-handed use, it includes a secure locking mechanism and durable forged tool steel with interchangeable wear parts. The KNIPEX Material catcher for electronics. Diagonal cutters keeps every clipped piece contained, adding a layer of safety where precision matters. It's designed to reliably prevent cut material from falling, making it especially useful in places that must avoid FOD, including the aerospace industry. This simple addition holds each detached workpiece securely in the catcher, giving you clean, controlled results while protecting the environment around your work. That wraps up the 20 KNIPEX tools that deserve a spot in your toolbox for 2025. Each one delivers the strength and precision KNIPEX is known for, and they can make a real difference in your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you want more tool picks and breakdowns, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.